That's no, that's a baby.
It is.
Gone.
What's it turning into?
Turning into grass.
Aw, do you love your cousin? Aw, big hugs. Nice big hugs. She gives very strong hugs, doesn't she?
Yeah, and that gives me happiness.
Aw, that's so nice, Ben. Where's she going?
I'm going to keep her out of my room.
Oh, Charlotte, did you eat all that cheese already?
Nope, look in my room.
Did you eat all your cheese already? Looks like some of it dropped, maybe. You found some. Want some more? Yeah, you ate it all. Time for some more.
See, you got some underwears. McKenna just gave me some.
Nice, McKenna. Now I gotta clean up that clothes. We gotta start packing all those clothes. Those are clean.